Now I will explain you how to draw the ogive. The meaning of ogive is a new kind of curve, or it is a way to represent the data in some more interesting way. Like we have explained you know in class 9th how to draw the bar graphs, where the bar graphs are important, then histograms, then frequency polygons, and after all this we need to draw a curve where the cumulative frequency has to be some relation with the required with the our proper, that is the class interval, that is what, that is the observation. When a curve is drawn with the lower limit or upper limit of the class interval along with cumulative frequency curve is known as the ogive. So to draw the ogive, ogive will be less than ogive or more than ogive. There are two types of ogive. So to draw the less than ogive, what we will do, we will write here less than. And what I want, if practically I would like to relate this example, suppose there is a class where certain number of students and one teacher has made that number of students is 41 who have scored marks between 0 to 20. 20 to 40 have been scored by 51 students. 40 to 60 is that number 64. 60 to 80 that number is 38, and 80 to 100 that number is 7. So these are the marks scored by some students, and this is the number of students recording and belonging to that particular group. In order to draw the less than ogive, if I reach to the class and I ask how many students have scored marks less than 0, so in front of me no one will stand. So that frequency, or I can say cumulative frequency of number of students scoring marks less than 0 is 0. If I say how many students have scored marks less than 20, then these 41 students will stand, because this is the group as given. If I say how many students have scored marks less than 40, so less than 40, in that case these 41 students will remain and these 51 new, because 20 to 40 and I am using what number, marks of students, number of students who have scored less than 40 marks. So this will come out 92. 1 plus 1 2, 5 plus 4 9. Number of students scored less than 60. For that these 64 students will also join this group. So 64 will also add it to 92. So number of students will be 4 plus 2 6 and 9 plus 6 15, 156. If I go how many students has scored marks less than 80, so in this group of 156 these 38 students will also come. So it is 6 plus 8, that is 14, then 4 plus 5 is 9, and then 1. 194. 194 become the number for the students who have scored marks less than 80. Then number of students who have scored marks less than 100. Less than 100, everybody will stand. So 7 more students will join. So this will be 7 plus 4 11, then 0, so 201. So this was the data obtained from 201 students of a class of a school, where cumulative frequency curve we want to draw for a less than, or we can say we want to draw the less than ogive,